everyone, welcome back to NEET Made Easy. Hope you all are doing great. In today's session, I am going to talk about the importance of NCERT diagrams for your NEET examination. As you all know that practicing diagrams for NEET examination is entirely different from practicing diagram for board examination. In board exams, we just usually practice the diagram and remember the labels or parts of the diagrams. That is more than enough. But when it comes to NEET examination, you should over-analyze the diagram without leaving single part or layer. For example, if you want to talk about the cell, you should know what is cell is made up of what function it performs, what and all organelles present inside the cell. You should know complete structure and function of each and every organelles which are present inside the cell. What is cell envelope? It is made up of what and in what proportion? Who proposed the cell theory? Who gave final shape to the cell theory? Then only you can able to say that you know the complete structure of a cell. Let me take some questions from previous year NEET papers which are based on the diagrams. You can see the question on the screen. The question here says, which of the following human development stage becomes embedded in the uterine endometrium by process called implantation and leads to pregnancy? You can observe the options A, B, C and D. Option A, showing the diagram of transportation of male gamete or sperm into the ovum. This stage is directly not leads to the pregnancy, so this is the wrong option. Option B is the embryo with 8 to 16 blastomeres, that we can call it as morula. This is also wrong option. Option D is the fully developed ovum ready for fertilization, which is transported to ampullary region. This is also not directly leads to the pregnancy. This is the wrong option. Option C, showing the diagram of blastocyst, which gets embedded in the wall of the endometrium of the uterus and leads to the implantation and pregnancy. Let's take another example. In eukaryotic cells, the given figure is synthesized in. As you can observe that the given figure is ribosomes, which is the non-membranous bound organelle which is found in prokaryotic as well as in eukaryotic. The options given are A, nucleolus, B, cytoplasm, C, mitochondria and D, Golgi complex. As we all know that cytoplasm is semi-fluid matrix inside which all cellular activities takes place. C, mitochondria, which we can call the powerhouse of the cell, which is very helpful in the metabolic activities of the cell. So this is the wrong option. Option D, the Golgi complex, the organelle which helps in the storage and packaging of material. This is also wrong option. And nucleolus is a darkly stained circular dense structure which is present inside the nucleus without limiting membrane, inside which ribosomes are synthesized. So the right option is option A, nucleolus. Let me have a look into the third example. The question says, the given figure shows transport of two molecules A and B through three different modes of facilitated diffusion. Select the correct option regarding it. As you know that transport of molecule across the membrane independent of other molecule in one direction is called uniport, and transport of molecule across the membrane in both the direction in opposite direction we can call it as antiport, and transport of molecules or protein carrier across the membrane in same direction is called symport. So the right option is option B. The next question here says that identify the figures A, B, C showing different types of muscles and select the correct option. You can observe the diagram A. This is the skeletal muscle and it's showing striations. It is voluntary in function and it is present in body wall, tongue and beginning of esophagus. The diagram B is not showing striations, so this is smooth muscles. And this are present in the inner body wall, wall of blood vessels and intestine. The diagram C is showing striations. It is voluntary in function and it is present in body wall, tongue and beginning of esophagus. The diagram B is not showing striations, so this is smooth muscles and involuntary in functions, and these are present in the inner body wall, wall of blood vessels and intestine. The diagram in option C shows striations and which is involuntary in functions which are present in the wall of the heart. So we can call it as cardiac muscles which are responsible for pumping of heart. So diagram A is striated muscles and B is smooth muscles. Till now you observed how diagrams play major role in question solving. We can easily expect 3 to 4 or even more than that number of questions every year are directly or indirectly based on diagrams. So diagrams play important role in biology part. I will be updating you the complete explanation of all NCERT diagrams. Keep watching my channel and don't forget to share, like and subscribe. For any suggestion or doubts, feel free to post it in the comment section. I will try to answer all your doubts and I will try to clarify complete your doubts related to your NEET examination. I hope you enjoyed this session. We'll meet up you in the next amazing session. Till then, stay healthy, stay focused. Take care. Bye bye.